Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to implement the momentum indicator. In short, MOM indicator. Okay, otherwise we can say the MOM. Okay, so if you get to the candlestick chart and head over to the indicators, and if you just say MOM, okay, so you will get a momentum. So this is your momentum indicator, and it is very much yet simplistic momentum indicator. Okay, so previously we have seen the RSI, MACD. Okay, so in sequence what we are doing, we are just coming with the momentum indicator. Now if you get with the RSI, there is a lengthy formula is there, which is converting related to 100. Then in MACD what we are doing, we are taking EMA and we are just doing with the MACD as this fast period and slow period, and then smoothing with this MACD as a signal, and then histogram minusing this both. Okay, so that's what we are doing all of this. So this is also a momentum indicator, which if you just get this part. Okay, so as you can see, as of right now it is running. So when I just code, I'll show you what is exactly the calculation it is going on. So it is just simplistic. Whatever you get as in close price, you just minus with the period whatever you given. So 10 period is already given. So from the 10 period, whatever the prices are there, you just have to minus that. Okay, simple. So you have to keep this stuff, and from this what happens, it exactly matches the candlestick. You can say you can plot as a line chart, but it is unreadable, and as an understanding part, I think it's get better. So if you just say 1 lakh to 12,500 or something like that, but when you get to the momentum indicator, you can say somewhat related, it has been dipped or something. Okay, so as you can see, it has been, the market has been dipped around minus 109 up to whatever the prices are there which you've been calculating. Up to the strength, as you see, grid some 750 and then this. Okay, so somewhat it is very much helpful, and we can realize what momentum is there. Okay, so any kind of a momentum, bullish, bearish, you can go as of right now it is going as a bearish. You can consider that part, and from bearish if you want to consider divergence, so that is also a good idea. Okay, so two things which you can. It is simple and very much effective. It is up to you how you utilize this indicators. Okay, so I believe it is best. So let's go with this. So all we need is our code, and I think we start with the copy paste stuff. Okay, so already I have done a video related to candlestick chart, MACD. So please do watch the stuff. Okay, and you have to copy this and you have to paste it in your ID. Okay, let's get to our ID and I'll show the code. Okay, so we got our code, and we will do few changes. So I think we try to add the histogram as well. Okay, so we won't take it out, let it be. Otherwise we can just take it out and we can say all those stuff with this, so it doesn't matter. You can include in the panels. Okay, so how you can do this stuff, I'll show you. So first of all, we'll start with momentum indicator. So we can say as a momentum indicator, and then we have to mention the price and then period. So here we say none. Nothing is there as of right now. We just say none, and we have a calculation. We will say momentum equals what price, and there is a already, if you want to get the differences of something with your data frame, I think this is the best. You just have to say diff. It will get you all of the calculation as you are going. Okay, and to get the differences properly, this .f is wonderful stuff. Okay, wonderful syntax. So please go with this. All we have to say momentum. Okay, to indicate this stuff in our data frame, what we have to say, I mean in a column, capital we can say the MOM, and the next thing which we have to imply is just, it will be helpful. So here we give it, and the price which you are looking for is simple, it's just close price. Okay, and the period by the default we have to say as a 10. So whatever the period as an indicator I've shown. Okay, so that is you have to imply here. Okay, volume you can keep it false. At panel 1 I want to include, so panel 0 will be our candlestick chart, and panel 1 we can utilize this stuff. So we should not include the value. We can keep it, otherwise we can remove. Okay, so it's up to you. So same thing we can do for this stuff. Okay, we just try to take this MACD part. We just talk about MOM. Okay, so we just say MOM, and we just have to change the panel. So instead of volume I just keep this stuff, and color blue I can keep it as it is, no issues, and I can say momentum. I think that would be great to understand. Okay, so I think we are good here, but to do the calculation I just want to show you this stuff. So at starting in the period 10 is there, so for just a simple calculation what I can say, I just try to keep the DF and head, at least I try to keep it as a 12. I'll show you some calculation, and to do this stuff in a great way, just to call in index and have to say the false. Okay, so I'll show you that chart as well. So before getting into chart, let me show you some calculations. I just check it out this stuff as of right now. Okay, and let's print some stuff. Okay, so we got the calculation as you can see, and as I believe there will be like at least 10 period is definitely off, and after that we are getting 53.5. Okay, so it is very much simple. So if the close price is there, so 111 126 you can see. Okay, so from this it is as you can say that 126 of 72, how much you get? Around 53.5. I'm damn sure about this stuff. Okay, it is not like that I won't get 53. Okay, so and I believe I'm making correct. Okay, if it is not, let's get, you can get your calculator and can calculate this stuff. Okay, so I'll do mine, and just a minute I'll show you that calculator as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is my calculator. It shows exact what it is there. Okay, and same goes with other stuff as well. So if you do the calculation, and what happens, it just take a shift. So second one. Okay, let me show you. So this is what we are doing. So this is how the calculation will go. Okay, so if you say 176 for this 937, we minus this stuff, so we'll get around 239. Okay, which just check it out. So I think we are good to go. Right now we just I just show you the plot stuff. So we are good to go. Just even made the volume as a false. Now only it is have to get to the plot part. Okay, let's go with this stuff. Okay, so you can see this is my plot, and exactly this is 15 minute, which I shown in that indicator, that chart. So that is how it is going on. It is just implicating whatever your candlestick chart is there. Okay, but at somewhere the prices which is there, it is related. You can relate to this stuff, whatever the prices is running right now. That is how you code the momentum part, and still if you want to normalize, you can add some calculation over there and try to keep it this in a normal way. So that is up to you, but this is how it's goes. It's still normalized in a best way. I must say try to utilize the stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or comments, please do contact me by WhatsApp. Thank you.